In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor in WordPress. Elementor is a popular page builder that allows you to design your WordPress website with a highly customizable visual layout tool. Whether you're setting up a brand new site or enhancing an existing one, installing Elementor can significantly enhance your design capabilities. Today, we'll walk through the process of installing it on your WordPress site step by step. To kick things off, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. To do this, navigate to your WordPress website's backend by adding /wp-admin to the end of your domain name in your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the WordPress dashboard, the central hub for managing your site's content and functionality. Next, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. There, you'll see an option labeled Plugins. Go ahead and click on it. Plugins are essentially tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site, and this is where we'll start our Elementor installation. Once you're on the Plugins page, look for a button at the top that says Add New, and click on it. This action will take you to a page where you can browse, search for, and install new plugins directly from the WordPress repository. In the search bar over on the right, go ahead and type Elementor. As you do this, WordPress will begin to present you with related options. You'll want to locate the appropriate Elementor plugin, which should appear fairly quickly in the search results. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct plugin, developed by Elementor.com, to avoid inadvertently downloading a less effective alternative. When you've found the right plugin, you'll see a button labeled Install Now next to it. Click on that to start the installation process. WordPress will take care of downloading and setting up the basic files on your site. After you click on Install Now, the button will change to Activate. Click this to immediately enable the plugin on your site. Activation is crucial, as merely installing a plugin doesn't automatically start it up. Activation ensures your plugin springs into action and becomes part of your site's functionality. Once Elementor is activated, WordPress may prompt you with a setup screen specifically for Elementor. Follow these guided steps to tailor Elementor's settings to your needs. This helps ensure you're getting the most out of the plugin. Once you've completed the setup, it's time to head back to your main WordPress dashboard. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and activated Elementor on your WordPress site. From here, you can start adding beautifully designed pages with ease. Remember, with Elementor, your design potential is practically limitless. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Happy designing with Elementor!